Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be a very quick video. I'm just going to show you how to make a logo super quick, okay? So stay with me. All right, so what I'm using is Canva. And basically, this is super easy, okay? So let's say you have the name of your business, right? Let's say the name of your business is Oranges. Can't, but first you have to spell oranges properly. Oranges are us. Get it? Oh, did I spell it wrong still? I did. Okay. Let's say oranges are us. Let's say that's the name of your company, right? Now, quickly, if you want a logo, you can grab a logo just from this name, right? So let's work with what we have from the beginning to end, right? Oranges, right? So let's see if we can find a picture of an orange. Perfect. We got a graphic of an orange, right? And then I would use a script. So we would get another text, and then we'll do a script font, preferably, let's see. Let's try, yeah, let's stick with Buffalo. So you can have the R, and then us. I would just type us, change that to something a bit more bold, something that stands out. Yeah, this looks good. Make it a little bigger. Boom. Oranges are us. And maybe make the us orange. Boom. You have a logo. Oranges are us. So this is what I want you to learn. Start from left to right, write out the name of your logo, and just kind of visualize it. Find something that that'll stand out the most. Get something that's an eye catcher, like a cursive R, similarly to Toys R Us. See what I did there? And then just put an us in there. Boom. All right. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks, guys. Oranges are us.